All right, it's Friday. What a day. Payrolls, very disappointing. I think for most people, we were all hoping for a 400,000 number and send this market in a tailspin. But reality has set in, I think. And now you look at the levels we're seeing in the treasuries. Remember, we put out off of those bullish, that flag 133.16 was the objective, 11.5 today's high, so we didn't quite get there. Normally, after a bullish flag type of move, you are supposed to, when it meets the objective, you are supposed to sell it because you do get some kind of reversal lower. I'm not so sure if that's going to happen yet, but keep an eye. We did see some selling come into the close. Keep an eye on 133.01. That was weekly high, and then down to 132.25. I think that in that area you should have some support, but I'll be paying attention to the 25 level. That was a 1.382% retracement after we took out 132 even and a half. So back into that 25 area, you should see some kind of support. If we start to get below there, you'd maybe look for some more downside. But what bugs me is the two charts that I sent out late this afternoon. You have key reversal working in the E-mini S&P. You have and it's an outside range, and you have the outside range reversal in the NASDAQ. So keep an eye on your closes. I think it was 27.71 in the NASDAQ and 15.62 3/4 in the S&Ps. The S&Ps are currently trading 43.75. So it does look like you are going to get that reversal. Now, a couple things. It is off a weekly, so we could see the market trade up. You got all week to meet that objective of a 33 trade. Today's low is 33.25. You'd be looking for a 33 trade next week to meet the objective. Now, I do think these outside ranges make it a little bit more, adds to the flavor of the down trade, but you're still only looking for a 33 trade in the in the S&P, and what was it, 37.50 I think was the low in the NASDAQ. So you would be looking for a 37.25 trade NASDAQ. That's it. That would meet the objective. That doesn't mean that you can't go down from there, but the idea is you'd look to sell some kind of bounce next week, look for those new lows, and then that's it. You're done with that type of trade, even though we could see more downside, which I think is very possible. You took out 3 trading weeks in the NASDAQ today off of this move lower this week, so something to pay attention to. That would probably most likely get a bid in the long end. Be surprised if they both went down together. Hey, I've seen them go up together, so maybe that's it. Maybe they do go down together, treasuries and the stocks. But another thing we pointed out yesterday in the gold June, the 30 level is a 79% retracement. We got above that today. 98.32 was the high, and we're currently trading 29.530. But normally these 79% resistance. So you want to watch that level. If we start closing above 30 in gold June, got another leg up. If we stay below there, look for some type of correction back down to, well, we had 26, have 27 off old highs, below there 22. Also, we sent out a purple June chart today with that gap at 97, 81.5 to 83. Have a look at that. But a lot of stuff going on, but so we'll see how next week works out. Have a nice weekend. Jack McGrath with ntmarkets.com. Thank you.